You're probably wasting money right now on overpriced car parts that don't give you better performance. Mechanics and dealerships love to sell you the premium stuff, but here's the truth. There are cheaper alternatives that work just as well, sometimes even better. Today, we're uncovering the 5 most overhyped car parts and showing you what to buy instead. Dealerships love charging $300 to $500 for brake pad replacements, but did you know many budget pads like Wagner ThermoQuiet or PowerStop Z16 offer excellent performance at a fraction of the cost? You're paying extra for a name, not necessarily better braking. Unless you track your car or drive aggressively, you don't need racing-grade pads. These affordable alternatives can last just as long and stop just as well. OEM air filters can cost $30 to $50, but aftermarket options from brands like Fram and STP perform just as well for under $15. Your car's performance won't change, but your wallet will thank you. For most daily drivers, there's absolutely no need to overspend on air filters. As long as it's changed regularly and fits properly, you're good to go. Platinum and iridium spark plugs are often upsold, even if your car doesn't need them. Check your owner's manual. Many vehicles work perfectly with standard copper plugs, which are significantly cheaper. If your car isn't tuned or modified, there's no need to upgrade. Denso, NGK, and Bosch offer solid copper alternatives for half the price. Dealerships charge up to $100 to change your cabin air filter, something you can do in under 5 minutes with a $10 filter. Tools required? None. Just open your glove box, pop in a new one, and enjoy clean air. Pro tip: buy in packs online and replace it yourself twice a year. You'll save hundreds over time. High-performance bulbs often come with high prices, but standard halogens like Sylvania or Philips get the job done for much less. Want brighter output? Go LED, but avoid cheap Amazon brands that blind oncoming traffic and fail early. Choose brands with a warranty and good reviews. Spend smart, not big. Car maintenance doesn't have to be expensive. Smart decisions like these can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, over the life of your vehicle. Have you been overspending? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more practical car ownership tips from TorqueTube.